Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate an HTML form with ConvertBox. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. First you will need to get the HTML form code from your email service provider. The steps for this will vary depending on who your service provider is, so we recommend referencing your service provider's support docs for the exact steps. Create a form with name and email fields. If you have more fields, don't worry, ConvertBox will strip out any code that is not required automatically during the integration process. Once you have created a form with your service provider, they will give you some HTML form code to install it on your website. Keep this code ready to copy as we will need it in the following steps. Step 2. Once you have your HTML form code, now you can go to your ConvertBox account and click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. From our integration, select Custom HTML Form. Step 4. First, give your HTML form integration a name that will help you easily identify it later. Usually this name will be related to the list or tag your HTML form is connected to. Then paste your HTML form code from the form you created in Step 1 into the field below and click Connect. Your new form integration will appear on a list. You can now easily add another form integration by selecting Add Another Form.